Hey there everyone, Kazi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert superscript and subscripts in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to let me type into the Word document like this. And now if you want to add a subscript, you will find the subscript and superscript option into the Home tab, alright? So you need to select the Home tab, and underneath it you will see this option called Subscript. So if you tap on that, now you can write anything which will be in the subscript format. All right, then you can simply turn this off to back into the normal form again. All right, so let me just clear this for you. Now if you want to add a superscript, you can simply tap on this option, then what you will write will be in superscript. So again, if you want to turn off the superscript, tap on this option and the superscript will be turned off. Suppose you have already written something like this and now you want this to be in superscript or subscript. What you can do is simply select the file, select the word or select the character you want to put them in superscript or subscript. Just select them all, and then you can simply tap on the superscript to put them into the superscript. And also if you want them to subscript, then select the subscript and your word or characters will be on subscript. So that's how you can simply do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.